Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to screen record on Mac. So what you're going to have to do is simply open any browser and search for OBS and then click on the first link, and then all you have to do is simply click on macOS, and then here you're going to have to choose what type of Mac do you have. So you have the one with Intel or the one with Apple Silicon. So this is based on the chip, and you're gonna have to simply click on it, and after that it's gonna start the download. And all you have to do is simply click on the link that you just downloaded, this one here, and basically drag and drop it. And after that you're gonna have to simply open Steam, and then you can simply start screen recording your Mac screen. Of course you're gonna have to set up OBS, but as I said, all you have to do is simply click on the file you just downloaded, and then you're gonna have to simply drag this and drop it under applications, and then you can start screen recording on Mac. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.